Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the game menu, press Options or Menu, and go straight to Settings. Once there, choose Controls so you see current bindings and sensitivity. Make sure your controller or keyboard is connected and recognized before changing anything, otherwise your edits won't save. You'll notice default presets and a list of actions. This is where you begin remapping. If you plan to copy a preset, select it now. Otherwise, prepare to edit individual actions one at a time. Next, pick the action you want to change and press the new key or button when prompted. The game captures single inputs reliably, so avoid holding two inputs simultaneously. Once bindings are set, tweak analog options, sensitivity, dead zone, and inversion to get consistent aiming and movement. If the game offers presets for accessibility or competitive play, compare them now. After making edits, hit Save or Apply. Then immediately test the control in a non-critical area to confirm responsiveness and comfort. To finish, confirm all changes and exit the menu, then play a short session to ensure comfort and functionality. If your new bindings don't persist, restart the game. This often forces a settings refresh. Should a controller not register, check drivers, reconnect via a different USB port, or toggle Bluetooth pairing. These hardware steps solve most recognition problems. If actions conflict, restore defaults and reapply only the essential remaps one by one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.